Who represents employees in collective bargaining agreements? In recent news, the topic of who represents employees in collective bargaining agreements has gained significant attention. With labor negotiations heating up across various industries, many are asking how employees can ensure their voices are heard. If you are curious about the representation process and what it means for workers today, you are in the right place. In the context of labor and employment law, employees are typically represented in collective bargaining agreements by labor unions or employee representatives. These representatives negotiate on behalf of the employees with the employer. They work to establish terms related to wages, hours, benefits, working conditions, and dispute resolution procedures. Labor unions play a vital role in this process. For example, the American Postal Workers Union is recognized as the official bargaining agent for its members. This union negotiates on behalf of postal workers to secure fair agreements. Recently, the National Negotiations Committee and National Executive Board of the American Postal Workers Union were instrumental in negotiating their 2020 to 2027 National Collective Bargaining Agreement with the United States Postal Service. Similarly, the RAICES Workers Union has also made headlines. They were recognized and began bargaining with their employer, leading to a ratified collective bargaining agreement in 2024. This shows that unions are actively working to representing their members' interests in negotiations. In cases where a formal union is not present, employee representatives may be elected or appointed within the workplace. These individuals act on behalf of their colleagues to ensure that employees' interests are addressed during negotiations. They operate under the framework of labor laws and agreements, providing a voice for workers. Overall, the representation of employees in collective bargaining is primarily carried out by unions or designated employee representatives. These representatives have the authority to negotiate and ratify agreements that govern employment conditions. As labor negotiations continue to evolve, understanding who represents employees is essential for anyone interested in labor rights and workplace equity.